Whether you are a pro editor or a beginner editor and you've not worked with any of these apps, I don't know what to tell you. Probably this might be the reason why you think editing is so hard. Let's get into the video. So I'm putting on shades for this video because I don't want to be throwing shades at all my pro editors out there. Much love to you guys. But this video is to highlight some of the basic apps that everybody has to know, or you are an aspiring editor, or you are a pro editor. Even a pro editor, you must have worked with these apps. But if you are an aspiring editor, then you need to work with these apps. Hey Royals, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about my top 10 editing apps that every editor needs in 2024. A disclaimer, this video is not in any way sponsored. This is just based off of my personal experience with the apps that I'm about to share. And I hope you are excited about this video as much as I am. Let's get into it. The first app on my list is Photoroom. Now, Photoroom, I mostly use that to cut out background from pictures. If I want to auto trim, if I just want to trim off the background on a picture or an image, whatever you identify it as, that is what I use Photoroom for. Now, the next on my list is Canva. Canva is my go-to place for templates. Anytime you are having a creative block, anytime I'm having a creative block, like I don't know where to get my ideas from or whatever, I run to Canva. Canva has all the template that you need. So Canva is another favorite of mine. I really recommend. At this point, I will urge you all to subscribe to this channel because, as you can see, we are rolling out values every single video. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, please do well to click the subscribe button right now to join the royal family. The next app on my list is Remini. Remini is a big favorite of mine. I use Remini for just one thing only. I use it to clean off images when I have like rough images and whatnot. Remini does all the cleaning job for me. It cleans your image that it comes out very clean, and the edges, smoothing it out, everything. That is what Remini does. I really recommend. Remini is that one app that can take your picture from looking like this to looking like that. So you see why I recommend Remini. The next app on my list is Snapseed. In Snapseed, I usually export any pictures that I might have cleaned, and I export it to Snapseed just so I could give it a definite look. I don't really know how to explain that here, but this is an example of what Snapseed would do. So I could take this picture and then I'll transfer it to Snapseed to get something like this. Do you get me? The next app on my list is pixellab. Pixellab, I use that to make flyers, to make simple graphics. And if you have been thinking of tapping into graphics design, I suggest you should try out pixellab before you go to any other high-end software for graphics designing. Pixellab really helped me a lot, like when I was a beginner editor. So you can definitely use that for graphics and other stuff. Up next, we have Lightroom. Lightroom can be used to edit images. You can also use it to edit videos. And honestly, it is a bit professional if you ask me. If I'm to say, Lightroom is actually a bit professional. It will take you time, but once you get a hang of it, it will be so easy. Trust me. Next on my list is VSCO. VSCO can also be used to edit videos and pictures, but VSCO can be used to achieve all those cinematic looking videos because it has quite amazing filters. You can use it to edit your videos, you can use it to edit pictures, depending on your preference. Next on my list is Wink. Wink is a very amazing app. I think personally I love Wink because of its ability to restore the HD quality of a video. So when your video must have gone through a lot of editing, sometimes it tends to lose its quality. Now when I upload my video on Wink, I save it, but this time I asked the Wink app to restore its HD quality, and it does that so perfectly and amazingly. And of course, I cannot forget about CapCut. Who doesn't know CapCut? CapCut is like the holy grail of all video editing apps. Like every beginner editor, even pro editors use CapCut till tomorrow. I edit on CapCut most of the time. And CapCut is really, really a great app. And also when it comes to the features that they are currently rolling out on the app, I think it's a very, very good app as well. I highly recommend. Next on my list is InShot. Personally, I first started editing videos in InShot before I went over to CapCut, and there's not too much difference between InShot and CapCut, but there is quite a little difference. So yeah, InShot is really the app that you would love to go to if you're looking to get the hang of video editing, at least before you can explore other apps. That's it for today's video. Comment down below if you have used any of these apps before, and if there's any app I forgot to mention, you can also leave a comment down below, because we are all here to learn, and I'm just sharing these apps based off of my personal experience with them, and I love working with these apps 100%. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and give this video a big thumbs up if you really, really enjoyed watching this video. I was so excited to make this video. I'm sure you're also excited to watch it. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.